Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the formula bar on your Google Sheets on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to hide the formula bar or how to disable the formula bar on your Google Sheet on your computer. I'm just going to show. So actually the formula bar is on the top here. So if it feel disturbance, or if you feel it should be hidden, you can use this option. So you just need to click on the view section on the top. Now you can click on the show option, and here you will see option of formula bar has been enabled. You just click this and the formula bar will be disabled or hidden, but this option will be enabled for all sheet. You can see if you are opening a new sheet, you can't find the formula bar because the formula bar has been hidden. This is how you just hide the formula bar on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.